All right, real quick, I'm going to show you how to adjust the parking brake air gap on a Porsche. This is my Porsche Cayman, so it'll probably translate to other Porsches as well. But first, we want to make sure that our power supply is hooked up so that we're getting constant power and the battery doesn't die while we're working on the car. Then we're going to plug in our Launch X431. We are going to manually select System Selection. Then we're going to go into the electrical parking brake menu, and then we're going to click on check basic setting of parking brake. Okay, we're going to press OK, and what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and it's going to actuate the parking brake, and it's going to measure the air gap. You can see it says 10" release, and you could also hear it as well. And then it'll tell you the parking brake gap. So here we're in the OK status. I think it's around 2 or so. But if you had to adjust, it'll tell you which one is out of value. And the way you adjust it on the brake is, all right, we're going to go over here to our wheel, and you are going to turn the wheel and take a peek through the lug holes until you see, and I hope you can see it, you can see this little gear. That's what we're looking for. So you can see through here, there's no gear, but if you look through this hole, you can see that little gear. Then you are going to take a screwdriver, you're going to poke it through, and you're going to turn the wheel either to the right or to the left, and basically just adjust it a few clicks. Each click is 0.15 millimeters adjustment. So just move it a couple clicks. Then we're going to go back to our Launch X431 here, and then we're going to measure that value. So check basic setting. There it goes. And then it'll tell us our gap. So you can then see if it went up or down, and then obviously make your adjustments as necessary until you are both in the OK status. So yeah, that's how you adjust the air gap on your Porsche.